How to fix the Epson EcoTank ET4850 printer that is printing the blurry text. If the text is not clear, then you can follow this video. Go to the printer display panel, click on the home button, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Select the option printhead alignment. There are two options here, vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. We'll start with the vertical. Press OK. Load paper in the paper tray and wait for the printouts. Next step is to check this printed page. We have to enter the correct values. You have to look for the straight line on the printouts and select the correct number. For example, here we can see the number 3 looks more straight than any other, so we will select the number 3 on the screen. So go for that and then press OK. Select for the #2, that's the second line. Here we have to select the next one, like it's number 4 is more straight, so we'll select number 4 and click on the proceed. Click on the print, so it's going to print the next page. Let's check this printed sheet. Again, there are 6 lines. In each line we have to select the box that is printed correctly without any lines. So you have to select the closest one and you have to enter the value here. For each square you have to do it. Now click on the print again, so it's going to print the next page. So इसको hot glue से नहीं करना. Go for the last printout. Again, the same thing we have to repeat. We have to look for the correct straight line in both lines. For example, number 5 is here and number 4 is there. So enter the values and then click on the OK. So we have done the vertical alignment. In the same way, to do the horizontal alignment, click here, click on the print. Again, it will print a page. You have to select a rectangle that is not overlapping. For example, number 4 is correct, and then click on the proceed, press OK. So this way we can fix the blurry effect. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.